Godrej Consumers Product Limited gave its Q1 performance update, and its Q1FY21 has been kind of a nice update. So in terms of sales, the company did say that they are expecting the sales to decline only marginally compared to Q1FY20. So on a year-on-year basis, we're expecting only a marginal decline in sales for the company. And despite the lockdown, plus operating facilities were also not working at full capacity, manufacturing was lower, there was supply chain disruptions, there were social distancing norms which the company had to follow. Despite that, the company is managing only a marginal decline. So that is surely some sign of positivity over there. Now in terms of domestic volume growth, the company is expecting a middle single digit domestic volume growth this time, and compared to last year FY20, it was a 5% volume growth. This time also it's a middle single digit volume growth. Now the volume growth is mainly led by this encouraging sales that they are expecting to see during Q1 FY21. So that will be interesting to see how domestic volume growth actually pans out, especially when domestic revenue is around 51% of the total revenue in FY20. Now talking about segments, household insecticides, which had been under pressure for the last couple of years, in that the company has seen a robust growth, especially led by good demand for the product. So this is the season for HI, that is household insecticides category. So that is why they have seen a good growth, and let's see how the growth number turns out for household insecticides for the company. Now moving on to hygiene segment, where right now people are focusing on soap, sanitizer. The company has again seen a good growth over here, and the strong momentum of growth has continued in the hygiene category for the company. While talking about hair color and air fresheners, now this has been a bit of a blip for the company because people are not spending much on discretionary spends, and that trend has even continued as of now. So that is why the company is expecting only a muted growth over here, or it's expected to be absolutely flattish, mainly impacted due to the lockdown. International business, which is around 40 to 45% of the total company's revenue, in that Indonesia, which accounts to around 37% of the total international revenues. So that is expected to report a middle single digit CC growth, and this strong performance is mainly led in the HI and hygiene category, even in Indonesia. So let's see how this actually performs. While lastly, in the GAUM international business, the sales are expected to see a decline in the early 20s. So that is surely seeing an impact due to the lockdown, but all in all, the results are in line with what we were expecting, and hygiene and HI category is expected to drive the growth this